Alright, let's go out here to my channel. Okay, 30 minutes, 29 minutes. I can't believe this thing wasn't on. So am I streaming now? So now I'm streaming. Alright, so let's go ahead. I guess we can do the intro again since we got a little bit of time. Alright guys, so I had to restart my stream. I did not know it had went off, but we are back on now. We are watching RHE. Just went into a halt. The time for it to open is looking like 9:41, so plus 5, that'll be at 9:46:43. 9:46:43 will be in. I can't believe my stream was not on. I was actually about to trade too. Alright, so let's just be cautious. RHE is the one that is up, waiting for the 46:43 for a nice resumption. Alright, let's go ahead and minimize and get ready. To 20. Okay, nice. That's all. Alright, 46:43 coming up. We're about to get ready to trade this bad boy. Let's let it drop first. It's the first move we need to see. Drop. Can you get the drop? Come on, drop down. Did not give us enough of a drop there. Need to see a little bit more of a drop action. There we go. Back over, what's this high? Back over the 1291. 1291 is what we're looking for. Getting a little bit of a push down there. Top side of this, 1291. Getting pushed down here quite a bit. $12.91 is what I'm looking for. Add it there. Looking for the push out. Okay, may stop me out here. Can we get the push back up to the 90s? We're getting a little bit of a push. Not looking good. Needs to get through there. Okay. May stop me out here. It's a very fast upward break. Okay, stopped out right there. I'm okay with that. Alright. But it is the one to watch on the day. Alright, let's get back out here to it. 1291, if it can get up there again, 1292 level. Looking for that 1292. Saw the 1292, but it could not break it. Looking for the 1293 now. Add it right there. Looking for it to break over this high, if possible, to the 13s. Can we break it? Might be a breakdown here. Looking heavy. Needs to get up. If it's going to get through the 13, it needs to go. 1303s. Just looking weak right there. Pushing out. I'm in the green. If it can't continue, I'll be out. It needs to hit the 50s here. If it can't, it's over. 30s, 40s, nice. Okay. 50s, can we break the 50s? Looking weak here. Sell a little bit there. Go ahead and start locking in some profit here. Okay. Locking in, locking in. I think I got all out. Cancel all. Yeah, I got all out right there. Looking for another entry. I was up quite a bit, but it's just let it run down against me a little bit too much. DPW trying to get up there. But RHE is definitely the one that I'm watching. Looking over that 52. Over the 50 here. It is quite extended though, and these moves out have not been super impressive. So let's see, what's the bottom of this? The bottom is the 13s. Looking for that 1351 break. 1351. Am I streaming right now? Yes, I am. Just have to make sure again. Okay, so we got a top side. Now it's messing up the setup here. I don't really like that it's doing that. Alright, so it did give a little bit of a breakdown. We're going to wait for this 5 minutes. We're going to see if it can consolidate above VWAP and give us some more moves upward. Right now, it just does not look like it wants to do that. Big move down. Will it break VWAP? If it breaks VWAP, it's going to have to get back above it to confirm. VWAP is at the 1241. We have a top side up here at the 13s for a VWAP bounce, but this is going to keep me out of it. I'm not buying here. It's going to have to come all the way back up here to the 51. 1351. If it goes all the way to the 51 right here, I definitely don't want it. Trying to hold up that 13, 14. $20 seconds left on this candle. 21. Can we get that 51? Add it right there. Nice little move. Can we get it? Can we continue up? Can we get to break even? Got the 51. Can we bump up some more? Okay. Winning trade no matter what now. Or nope, not yet. It's got to go. 75. We need to see a break of the 75, 85s. Can we get a push? Yeah. Looking for it. Looking for it to get this push. Back over the 70s. 70s is what we're looking for. Come on. Stop me out right there, break even. Just could not get that push through. So it's getting heavy in that area. See, 89.91 is where we're looking now. Yeah, it's looking a little heavy right there. I was expecting it to push out a little bit more, but that's okay. Can we get the 90s here? 91. Not looking good there. 91. Yeah, I think it's too extended for me right now. It's just not giving me the moves that I'm looking for. It's all good. Let's look at my realized gains and losses. So I took a little bit, which helped me to kind of evade that loss. But still, man, took some green trades, break even right now. Still looking for that 90 push, 91, 92. 1390s, getting on up there. 50s, 50s, 60s. 91. Okay, back over this top. Maybe an entry. Oh, looking weak right there on that top. I don't want that. Real weak right there. BGFV fading. So the top mover right now is RHE. Wanted the 91, but it's going to have to pull it back. It's going to have to consolidate above this VWAP. Ooh, there's a 91, 92 at level. Can we get through it? Can we see it here on the bid? Took right there. I just follow it up. Whatever it wants to give me. If it can push, hey, let's go. If not, I'll be out. Looking for that 94. It may stop me here. May come down and stop me. Yep. Looking like it wants to. Can we get over the 75s? Looking for that 75 break. It may be a little bit too heavy here. 75. Pop that 75. 77. Looking to get ready to take. And that was a very weak pop out right there. We can get just a little push over. A little push. 92s. Come on, baby. 92, 95 is what we want to see. 95s. 86s, 90s, 90s. Can we get the blast out? Okay, just a quick blast over and I will take a little bit. There we go. Ah, I missed it. No, I didn't. I took that. Yeah, I got out right there. Boy, exit off. It did pull me in a little bit right there. I was not able to, you know what? No, I accidentally bought right there at the top instead of selling that 5 over the top. All right, whatever. Those trades, I'm down about 10 bucks right now. 167 bucks to go. I don't know if I'm gonna do any more trades on this one. 10 bucks. Sup is halted. Don't really see anything else that can give me the moves that I'm looking for. Balance down 143. So pretty much just lost the game from yesterday. RHE. Looking for that attack of the 91, but right now it needs to consolidate. Sup getting on up there. What is the float? 23, a little bit higher float. That one's not looking good. That one's halted. What was the news on it? Not seeing much. RHE giving some consolidation. We'll see if it can hold above VWAP here. $13.50. Yeah, it's way too much. I'm gonna have to size down. Can I get 10 shares on that? $13.50. 135. So yeah, I can get 10. Yeah, 10 is all I can do right now. We'll see what it wants to do. Trying to consolidate here. We'll see if we can get back into a green. Let's see, what is this? 1361. Don't want to buy it just yet. Want to let this candle close green first. Alright, so it's got a little point up here. Well, it fell VWAP. That's not good. Sup is still above VWAP. What is above VWAP? Let's see. DTEA under VWAP. That one's still halted. Let me see what kind of halt that was. NMRD. Volatility halt 54.19. Okay. I'm wondering, can SUP get up anymore? Because I know I'm gonna have to hold it for a minute if I do get in on this one. Let's see. Okay. Alright. So we're gonna watch SUP. And what was the news on this one again? $6.10 is looking like a level. It's very low volume though. Let me go out here to other things. Under VWAP, NMRD did come out, but what was the news to continue it? Announces, blah blah blah. Nothing important there, so I don't think it's going to continue to push. It may. Look at it. Bounce down. I think that's leading into the backside of the move. SUP though. We can get back above, stay above that VWAP. It's not volatile at all. Okay, so if you bought the top of this 96 up to the 21, that's still a good gain, but I think some red is coming here. Yep. Will it break these bottoms of the 16 down here? Looking quite heavy. Don't like the 5-minute topping tail. SUP is under VWAP. DT. Will it break down the bottom here? 29s. Yep. Under VWAP. So I'm okay with the loss that I took today. $9 is okay with me. I was up a bit, but just could not get going on RHE. Could not get up and going. Came out of the halt pretty, but just had a little bit too much turmoil for me to stay in there. Should have pushed out even harder. SUP is coming back up off of VWAP. They can get back above the $6. I may be interested in it. Maybe a grinder throughout the day. Biggest move was from the 59 up to the, so a 50-cent move. That's nice. RHE going on down. NMRD, I'm not really interested off of this one, even off of a VWAP bounce. See how high this one goes. The high is the 57 there, all the way back up to the 90s. It may actually continue going. This is insane. So let's see where it pulls back to. Can it hold up VWAP now? Is the question. Looks good to me. Giving that pullback right there. First pullback above that VWAP. The high is the 805, 806 area, which would be the entry point. It's a long way away from it now. Man, almost broke the 50. Well, never mind. Never mind on that one. Sup. Just not even getting trades anymore. Alright, this one's pulling back up. 95. $805 is looking like the spot to be in. Let's see if it breaks down here. 806 is the spot for me. $806. Shows red. That's going to be a little bit of weakness. Looking for that 806. Here we go. 90s. Looking for the 806. It breaks down this body of this candle. I have to wait. 766. Looking for the 806. Double top there. Looking for that 806, man. Alright, let's go look at SUP. SUP is holding up VWAP there. I do like it. Looking for the high of the 605 to come into play. Not moving at all. Stonewall. Okay. This one's not looking too good anymore. It may break down. $750 is what it's trying to hold up. But it is above VWAP. So there's SUP for that 605 move. I think this is the one that I'm going to get in some. Let me go. I might grab some of this one. Maybe like 5 shares of it. Especially if it gets over the 605. See what it wants to do here. Let's see what this next minute opens up. $20 seconds left on that one. That one's breaking down. Yeah, I think this one will be the one. The next one. looking for where it opens up. If it opens up lower or higher. Where are you gonna open up, buddy? Lower or higher? $27. So I can get 25 shares of this and be safe. I'm gonna let this ride. I do believe this one can go higher. Not willing to press the button though. I'm gonna just watch the tape for right now. Okay, there's a little bit of red, so it's starting to wake up. 601 is the new spot. If it can hold here, I would definitely be looking to take. $604 on the tape. Where are the buyers at though? Ask is a 601. We want to see this 601 move up to the 605, and then I'll be looking to take. Taking a little pause break here. Closing up that candle right there. Where will the new one open? Still have the 601, buyers at the 601, holding steady to the 607. Okay, now there it is. All right, let's get in. It's up to the 604 on the bid. Looking for that 605. Back down to the 601. All right. RHE needs to do a pullback. Give us a pullback. 601 for sup, going down there. All right, so RHE is back on the game, in the game. I would look for little small takes here. This is the first pullback above the VWAP. Let's see how far it pulls back. If it continues this pullback, not liking what I'm seeing. It needs to pull back. Okay, 75 kind of holding it. Let's see if it can stay above VWAP. Will it drop back below 75? Yes, it did. Bids back up below. So we're going to let it pull back here. Bids dropping back again to the 60s. Okay, do like that motion. Top side here is the high of the 84. So we're looking for that 85 push. Let's see if it breaks down here. 85s. Looking real heavy there. Will it break the 60s? Maybe not. 60 break. Looking, waiting, watching, and no. Keeps testing the 60s. There it is. There's a break. Got our nice double bottom here. Low of the 1350. High up here of the 80s. So 81 break. What I'm looking for. 81. If it doesn't break here. Alright, broke the 50s. Okay. Tried to go down 3 times. We want to see it back above that 75, 76 level would be optimal. Breaking on down. $13.66. Can it get back above that $13.71? $13.71. $65s. Looking for the 71. 75 now will have to be the entry. Got up there quick but failed off of it. Looking for a 75. 75 break. 74s. Just not seeing it. On the bid, it's going to have to get back over the 61. 51. 55. 60s. I want to see the 71s here. $75, $70, $72, $70. Can we get the 75? We cannot see the 75 here. There we go. Add it right there. Very small share size. So if it wants to continue, I'll let it. Looking for it to get up here. Might add a little bit. Holding the 80s. Added a little bit right there. Would love to see it get up It's above VWAP. Wow. I might need to exit very quickly. Got 10 shares in there. Yeah, I'm gonna exit that. Not even gonna play with that. Alright, so that was a little bit more of a loss than I wanted today. Another 10 bucks. Just could not stay up there. Gave us a dive. So that is the last trade today for me. I cannot be giving up. I'm still green on the week, of course, but just too much of a fake out on that one. But that is it. I'm gonna go ahead and close it down right here. I actually made a mistake, and I think I was streaming for a little while, but somehow my stream got cut off. So whatever. I will just leave this one up. These are pretty much all of my trades in this one. So that is it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be back in the morning. Small red day today. Had to make sure I keep those losses small. Let's go over my trades. RHE got stopped out for 51 cents on 5 shares, which is okay because usually with 25 shares I do 40 cents. So with this one, it was a little bit more, but it's okay. It is okay. And we'll be back tomorrow morning. You can check out my streams on Twitch or on YouTube. And yeah, wait. I lost $1 right there. I lost $1 on that last out. I didn't even see that. Okay, that was a little bit more than I expected, but okay, we'll take that. That's a $10 loss, still at my price level. But let me go ahead and go over to my transactions. Transactions today took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buys. I'm totally fine with that. And that is it, man. That is it. I'm not gonna risk any more on this stock. It continues to play around and go down and come up and break VWAP. It's too volatile to be doing all that. Too volatile. I was gonna trade SUP. I may actually do that right quick. Let's see, how much can I get for 610, 4 shares? I think I'm gonna go ahead and buy this and just watch. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go ahead and get in on this one. 610, 4 shares. I will get in on the 611 if we can do that again. Be in right there, and I'll just hold it. SUP is looking like it wants to get up there and play, so let's play ball. And we'll put a trailing stop of, how much can I get at 610? 611. This one should have been the one I just watched from the beginning, but you know me. 610 now. May not give me a chance to enter. Alright, I'm in there. I'm just going to let this one play. Put a trailing stop on it of, let's say, 40 cents. Be enough. So it'll follow that. We'll see what we can get off of that one. Very slow mover. RHE still grinding up. I just didn't have enough money to play with that anymore. It's over with for that one. NMRD also grinding up. We're going to see where SUP wants to land for today. I'll keep the stream rolling for right now. This was just a cheaper stock. RHE, man, going up there. I just don't have the capital to play with it. NMRD, again, trying to hold over VWAP. First pullback of the day. I mean, not of the day, but the first pullback up back above VWAP, long wick, so that's not good. Wow, this one bounced off VWAP and went from a 13, so a dollar move up, man. I was in there right in here. Kind of figured it was going up, but did not know how much. Sup, what are we doing here? We need to get up. My entry was 614. I'm gonna actually put this at 15 cents. 15 cents there. So we'll follow it by 15 cents. Since it's not really moving like that. If it wants to explode, hey, do what you gotta do, bro. Wow, look at RHE going up there. Is it gonna fail? It needs to fail the 409 for me to be happy. Because I'm gonna be mad that I didn't hold that. But that's hindsight trading. Looks like it wants to go. 1450s getting tested. Don't see the 50s on the bid though. 37 on the bid. 36. 37s. Don't see the 40. There's the 40s. 41 needs to jump. 30, 43. Man, look at that. I missed that, man. I completely missed that. Sup is also pushing up a little bit. AMS is also up. A low floater. A lot of opportunity out here that I just could not capitalize on, man. Especially on RHE. That was a huge move out of there. Could have quickly scalped that move from the fifth. Wait, how much is that? 52 to the 70s? 20 cents? That's my strategy, but I definitely wouldn't have liked that. Would not have liked that at all. I'm just gonna let SUP play. RHE, I believe, needs to fail VWAP for the attention to go down there on SUP. AMS. SUP is now at the 1620s. Making back a little bit of money at a time. I'm okay with that. Would love to get break even up here at the 614. Don't know if it can do it. If it just flies to like $7, $8, that'll be great. But I am going to sit here and wait it out. 623s pushing on up there. Has a top side up here of the 659s. Resistance. I'm only up 10 cents right now. Man, I should have waited and traded this one. These two, SUP and RHE, are the ones on today. RHE needs to fail VWAP though. Everything else looks like it's failed VWAP. Yeah. So more attention should be coming down here to SUP. Risk right now is right at the $6 level almost. RHE finding the backside of the move. So either way it goes, I think this would have been a losing day for me because I wouldn't have taken profit on that move And then I got stopped out on this one. So REG just messed me up today. Look at my realized gains and losses. REG, yeah. I was up 61 cents, 52 cents, 26 cents, 18 cents. But these losses killed me today, man. 1960, still waiting on SUP to come on and run up on me. REG is done, I believe. Another day in the books. SUP grinding on up. In there with small share size. Just cannot play with it. If it falls below that 613 level, the 9 is back there at the 608 on this one, on the 5-minute. Bouncing up right there to the 624. I would love to see this one get going. Last time I was in with small share size and I had sold early, which is crazy. I may let this thing follow it by 20 cents instead of 15. 20 cents looks like, let's see, 25.